Hello everyone, this is Technology Consultant channel. I'm Sam. Here we are with another video. In this video, we'll teach you how you can recover your old WhatsApp messages. If you have deleted your WhatsApp messages accidentally or by mistake, then you can recover your all the old WhatsApp messages back. So right now you can see our chats. Now we'll delete our WhatsApp and recover back all the WhatsApp chats. You have to click on these three dots, click on settings, and then you have to click on chats. At the bottom you will see second last option, chat backup. You have to click on it. For recovering our old WhatsApp messages, first of all we'll backup our all the WhatsApp chats. For this one you have to click on backup to Google Drive. From here you have to select option daily. Second, Google account. Here you have to select your Google account where your all WhatsApp chats, each and everything will be backup. Third option, backup over. You can select Wi-Fi or cellular. Now we'll minimize this one. We'll go to phone settings. We'll go to apps. Now we'll go to WhatsApp. Here is WhatsApp. First of all, we'll click on force stop. Then we'll go to storage and we'll clear the cache and clear the data also. So right now you can see we have deleted each and everything. Now we'll open WhatsApp. We'll click on agree and continue. Now we'll provide our phone number. So right now you can see we are signed into WhatsApp. We'll click on continue and then we'll allow WhatsApp to access our contacts and photos. Now we'll recover our old WhatsApp messages. So right now you can see WhatsApp has found our old WhatsApp chats. We'll click on restore and it will start recovering our old WhatsApp data. Here you can see restoring messages. Now WhatsApp is restoring our old WhatsApp messages. So right now you can see we have deleted each and everything, but we have get back our old WhatsApp chats very easily. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel for more useful videos.